All right, so looking at this question, we have the cost of producing a particular toaster is this. We're told that each toaster sells for $60 each, and we're making N number of toasters. We're asked to write an expression for the profit, and then we're asked to work out the maximum profit and then maximum daily profit as well. So if we write this down, we have the cost is equal to 250 plus 1.2 n squared, depending on how many that we make. We're selling at $60 each. So if we sell one, $60. If we sell two, $120. We know that profit is equal to the money that you make in sales minus the cost. So we need to know, well, how much money did we make? All right, so if we sold N, we made $60 on each toaster sold. So if we sold 100, it would be 60 times 100. But we don't know how many, so our money made will be 60M. So we can come back down here, we can put in 60N minus the cost, and put in brackets. Now, we're after a maximum, and that's going to be a stationary point, and that's from our derivative. So we want to get rid of the brackets. So it's 60n minus 250 minus 1.2 n squared. So that is our profit for n number. So again, maximum, right, will be at the derivative equaling 0. So we'll find the derivative. 60 minus 2.4n. We're going to make that equal to 0. And rearranging. And so n will be equal to 25. Okay, now, as always, you need to check that this is a maximum. So we're going to do that by subbing in numbers either side. So if we have P dash, let's go 24.9, that's one side, and P dash 25.1, that's the other side. When you substitute that in, you will see that the answer to the derivative is positive, meaning it goes up. And when you substitute 25.1 into the derivative function, so we're substituting it into this function, you will see that the answer is negative, meaning that it came back down. So it is definitely a maximum. So n equals 25 is definitely a maximum. Now, there was one more question. Hence determine the maximum daily profit possible. Okay, so we're going to put back in, so we're saying maximum profit is at n equals 25. So we're going to put that back into the original function, not the derivative. So we've got 60 times 25, so 60 times for each toaster, 25 toasters, minus that, minus the 250, minus the 1.2, and it was n squared, so 25 squared. And when you find the answer to that, 500. So the maximum daily profit was 500.